Alright, so here is all our clay things from last night. They're baked and some of them have a little glossy finish I put on there, like a varnish. Here's our bigger gingerbread men. I think they're going to be ornaments like this. These are like some abstract pieces I'm putting together into earrings for people. I'll insert a photo here of some ones I finished and gave to Fabian's mom already. Then here I made some gingerbread earrings for myself because I realized I don't have any Christmas themed earrings. Then these ones are going to be little necklaces, just like this here. These ones are for a couple of my friends. And then this is a head wig charm. I think I'm going to put it on a keychain and give it to a friend so she can put it on a backpack or something like that. And my friend also really loves NASA, so I made this ornament for her. I'm kind of nervous. This one looks like a 5-year-old made it with Play-Doh, but I think she'll like it. I hope she'll like it. In case she doesn't, though, I also made these earrings for her and put them on a little rocket ship themed backing card. The last items are these abstract dangle earrings I made for my mom and just like colors I think she would like. So there's our clay gifts this year for Christmas. Just gotta get them all packaged up now. Okay, I also just quickly wanted to share this gift my good friend Mira got for me this year for Christmas. It's a Harry Potter advent calendar with these little Funko Pop dolls. And this year they did them dressed up in their Yule Ball outfits. So this is what it looks like. And then you open it up. And today's the 10th, so we'll be opening this one today. So far, I've got Harry, Ginny. One of my favorites so far has been Little McGonagall. She's so cute. And surprisingly, Little Snape is super cute too. Aww. Alright. I'll show you all the ones I have opened already in a minute, but let's see what's in number 10. Oh my god, she's gonna think this is so funny. It's one of the Patel sisters. My friend Mira hates their outfits in the movie, so this is actually really funny that I am vlogging this day. Okay, so here's all the characters I've gotten so far, and I will make little video clips for future studio vlogs of opening other exciting ones. Haven't gotten the rest of the trio yet, but yeah, it's really cool. It was a really cool gift, and I just thought you guys would enjoy seeing it since I know there's some Harry Potter fans that have been watching. So anyways, now on to painting. Ooh.
have a candle burning in there?
Yeah.
Leave it burning?
Yeah. I'll keep an eye on it.
Holy moly, it's cold out. I have these loppers. Mike. That's cute.
All right, so here's our wreath so far. Just with the pine needles on it. And then this is a Santa ornament. I'm just gonna put in the middle. We're gonna hook it up here. Then I have some juniper from one of our bushes that I used in some smudge sticks last summer. And it has like these funny little berry things on it, which I like. Alright, so here's our little berries we just collected. And I will just put those on with wire there. And maybe we'll collect a few other things around the backyard just to spruce it up a bit more. One tip I would say though is if you're doing this yourself at home and you want to put an ornament, save it for the end because he's been kind of annoying since I attached him now. Alright, so there's our $1 wreath with the metal ring from the Dollar Tree and everything else collected from our backyard. Well, thanks for watching another one of these chill studio vlogs. Making videos has become even more enjoyable now, knowing that people actually like this laid-back stuff. I plan on posting vlogs I made during our time in Japan really soon, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. If any of you did some DIY gifts for Christmas this year, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. I read and respond to every one. If you'd like to connect, you can follow me on Instagram at Keila's Kingdom, and if you're interested in any of my clay things, check out my shop at keilaskingdom.com. Alright, take care and happy holidays. Bye!